If you're looking for the best drugstore false eyelashes, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preferences, sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Kiss Luxely Natural False Eyelashes. Kiss is one of the best brands of fake eyelashes. They make all sorts, from these natural-looking falsies to drag queen drama lashes. What's nice about this pack of 5 reusable pairs is that it will last you for quite a while, making it a great value for the price. Each synthetic eyelash is subtly flared and tapered to fit right in with your own lashes. The hairs are just long enough to make the eyes pop without weighing down the lids. What do we mean by tapered? The hairs closest to the corner of the eye are slightly shorter than the ones on the outside edge of the eye. Also, the tip of each individual fiber is not blunt but instead cut at an angle. Again, this looks completely natural. This design makes them straightforward to blend into the lash line. The only con is that the pack doesn't include glue. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Ardell Demi Wispies False Eyelashes. You can search for false eyelashes without bringing up Ardell. The name is practically synonymous with falses. Like Kiss, they offer a wide variety of styles. We selected these fantastically lightweight and fluttery lashes because they will make your eyes look wide open. The Demi Wispies have a transparent lash band and the perfect taper. They are slightly thinner and shorter toward the inside corner of the eye and longer on the outside. They blend seamlessly with natural lashes and add significant length. Here's the secret. They are made of hand-knotted human hair, not fur or synthetic fiber. That's a big part of why they look like they belong on your eyelids. The number 3 position is held by Ardell False Lashes. There are different types of taper just like there are different types of false lashes. Ardell's Naked Lashes style number 420 is longer in the center and shorter on both sides. It's ideal for everyday wear. But put on some mascara and you're ready for a night out. Also, persons with monolid eyes find the 420 style enhances their natural lashes in a way that still looks like extensions, but without being overpowering. Then, style 421 is a little longer and fluffier for a bit more drama. But if you have hooded eyes, try the 424. You won't even have to trim them to fit. All of these falses have the Invisiband transparent lash band with no knots for a flawless, natural appearance. Plus, these American-made falses are reusable. Next at number 4 we have Luxely by Amazon Magnetic Lashes. If you can put on eyeliner, you will have an easy time with magnetic lashes. That's because this set comes with magnetic eyeliner that creates a base where the eyelashes will stick. The applicator is a fine tip brush and the liquid feels very smooth, not chunky, and dries fairly quick. On the downside, it's very black and so are the lashes. On the bright side, the eyeliner has been tested in a cosmetic laboratory in the USA to be 100% safe. The package includes angel tweezers with silicone sleeves to pick up and apply the falses. The band has tiny magnets mounted on it and they pop right into place. What's nice is that you can easily adjust the lashes as there's no glue. They don't lift up unexpectedly, either. The number 5 position is held by Arishine Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes Kit. Here's a different brand of magnetic eyelashes. There are 5 pairs in the kit so that you can experiment with different styles. A couple of pairs are bold and full for events when you want to look amazing. The others will boost your natural lashes without being overwhelming. Reviewers say the lashes feel lightweight and comfortable. They stay put even though they aren't glued on. The magnets are pretty much invisible on top of the eyeliner. Then, the lashes are straightforward to remove and reuse. The liquid eyeliner is waterproof, however, you'll need makeup remover to clean it. The number 6 position is dominated by Eliace 50 pairs false eyelashes. These handmade eyelashes are natural, soft, and comfortable to wear. The set includes 5 different styles of lashes that are suitable for various occasions. Made of ultra-thin fiber material, these durable lashes help your eyes look big, bright, and beautiful, something that even your best mascara falls short of. The lashes are flexible, allowing you to curl or cut them to suit your style. For your next use, simply clean these lashes and apply them to your lash line using a good pair of tweezers and some glue. Moving on to the next at number 7 with HSBCC Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes Kit. With 3 different pairs to choose from, you will never have to worry about finding the right pair of false lashes. Whether you are going to a party, work, or a casual outing with your friends, these lashes are perfect for every occasion. The set includes 3 styles of lashes, eyeliner, and a tweezer so you have everything you need to make your eyes pop. Covering just 2/3 of the outer corners of your lashes, they instantly offer a 3 glamorous look. The 5 strong magnetic points in the lashes stick to the ultra-fine magnetic particles in the eyeliner formula to quickly attach on top of the eyeliner. The number 8 position is held by Vassoul Magnetic Eyelashes with Eyelash Applicator. Vassoul brings you 4 pairs of 3 magnetic lashes crafted using premium synthetic fibers. The dual magnetic forces of the lashes help you secure it in the right place, eliminating the need for glue or other adhesives. It also comes with an eyelash applicator that is made from special alloy material. The false lashes can be used repeatedly if used in the right way and by making sure to clean them from any residues or makeup using a moist towel. These eyelashes are a perfect pick as they suit all eye shapes, give a natural look, and are comfortable to wear. Next at number 9 we have Veleasha 5 Faux Mink Lashes. Next on our list of the best drugstore false eyelashes is the 5 Faux Mink Lashes from Veleasha. The 7-pack eyelashes are made of ultra-thin imported fiber with a length of 15 ADM. The handmade eyelashes are soft, lightweight, and natural looking. Great for any occasion. These false lashes can be reused around 3 to 10 times. They are available in 4 different styles for you to choose from. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by DYSILK 7 Pairs 6 Faux Dramatic False Eyelashes. These fake eyelashes bring something different to the table that your fancy mascara can't achieve. One of the best drugstore lashes, DYSILK's false lashes come in exquisite packaging. They are made using high-quality ultra-thin synthetic fibers which can be reused up to 15 times. The lashes are available in 9 different styles where you can choose a mixed pack for your very needs. Very soft and lightweight. They are comfortable to wear and easy to apply, featuring tapered ends. These multi-layered lashes blend in easily with your natural eyelashes to give a sixth effect. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.